Hello，大家好。啱啱同大家講解完2021年3月6月份嘅第一條題目嘅講解之後咧，咁接下落嚟嘅時間我就同大家講解下同一年2021年3月同埋6月份呢次考試當中嘅第二條嘅答題方法，以至一啲技巧。好啦，我哋首先睇一睇呢條題目想問啲乜嘢先。咁同樣啦，當你打開呢條題目之後啦，你會見到 The following exhibits available on the left-hand side of the screen provide information relevant to the question。咁由於我哋係模擬一個 CBE 嘅形式去考試啦，咁所以你要見到咧喺實際操作當中咧，你所有嘅 exhibits 咧都會喺你屏幕嘅左手邊。如果到呢一刻大家都唔熟悉點樣用 CBE 嘅話，唔緊要，可以參考我哋另外一個嘅教學 video， 教大家如何去使用呢個 computer-based examination techniques 咁樣。好啦，咁呢條題目當中咧，其實就 provide 咗兩個唔同嘅 exhibits 啦。第一個係我哋主角叫 Robson Company and Project Information，okay？ 我哋主角公司叫 Robson。咁第二個啦，就係有關於呢個 project 嘅一啲 additional information， 尤其係同融資有關嘅 further information on project finance。OK， 好啦，咁呢條題目就問你啦 ，This information should be used to answer the question requirements within your chosen response options。咁同過往嘅操作一樣啦 ，OK？ 你首先睇開啲 exhibits 之後咧，你都要打開個 response 個 requirements 個 section 咧喺 CBE 嘅屏幕當中咧睇一睇究竟問題問你啲乜嘢。好啦，咁如果你打開咗個 response section 之後啦，或者係 requirement section 之後啦，咁你就會見到其實呢一條題目咧，即係2021年3月同埋6月份呢份考卷當中咧。第二條嘅題目咧，由於第二條啦 in section B 啦 ，that's why 咧，我哋總分加埋咧係會25分，亦都係一條必答題嚟嘅，大家走唔甩㗎。咁呢一條第二條題目咧，其實係分開兩部分啦 ，Part A 同埋 Part B。Part A 我哋睇條題目 ，calculate the adjusted present value of the investment and recommend whether the project should be accepted or not。總共加埋係14分。大家可以見到啦，呢一部分咧14分咧，其實呢個 Part A 嘅題目咧，其實基本上佔咗成條第二條嘅題目咧，超過一半嘅以上。而根據我哋嘅time allocation strategy 啦，每一分所對應嘅時間咧，大概係1.5左右啦，我哋乘以1.5左右嘅時間啦。咁呢一課咧，其實呢一條題1.5到1.8度啦 ，OK？ 其實咁所以呢一條分數咧，大概佔即係做呢一 part A 嘅時間，大概係佔我哋要花20零分鐘左右，係唔超過25分鐘，大概 OK？ 唔超過25分鐘嘅時間去回答 part A 嘅條題目。咁我哋了解清楚題目究竟問我哋啲乜嘢？啲關鍵字眼啊，大家考試嗰陣千祈要關注下啲關鍵字啊。第一 calculate。Okay? 一見到 calculate 呢個字，必然你會知道係一條 quantitative question。Okay? 咁要大家去計好多唔同嘅數，計咩數啊 ？APV adjusted present value of the investment。Okay? 好啦，咁呢一刻大家可能會有 confuse， 乜嘢叫 APV 咧？唔記得咗嘅同學唔緊要 ，OK？ 大家可以重溫翻我哋較早之前學嘅啲教學嘅 video 啦，重溫翻我哋學過嘅 APV 嘅 concept。喺呢度啦，我同大家簡單嚟講，所謂 APV 嘅意思咧，就係話我哋去考慮個 project 是否去做或者唔做嗰陣咧，我哋一般而言咧係會用 net present value， 但係咧如果用上 adjusted present value 呢個 concept 嘅話咧，我哋得到意思就 APV 就會等於 present value， 或者我用 PV 咧簡單啲 present value of the project cash flow。Okay？If we assume the project is 100% equity finance， 100% equity finance。好啦，咁但係咧，除咗呢個 project 係100% equity finance 之後咧，咁當然啦，有時做 project 嗰陣，我哋會加上有借錢呢部 component 噶嘛。所以計算 APV 嘅陣，我哋再加上present value of benefits of debt financing。I won't say debt financing， 因為唔係淨係 debt financing， 可能你仲有 debt plus debt financing，OK？ 呢個 debt financing 嘅意思其實咧係主要嚟自嗰個 tax shield 啦，OK？ 同埋 other side benefit，OK？ other side benefits。 好啦，咁其實 APV 嘅意思就要求我哋去計呢兩部分嘅數值啦，係咪？咁但係亦都要注意嘅地方啦，喺我哋運算過程當中咧，由於我哋呢度咧左邊呢部分係 assume 100% equity finance， 所以好多時候同學考試嗰陣咧就唔記得咗 ，OK？ 考試嗰陣我哋用 discount 嗰陣 discounted cash flow 咧，我哋係要用上 assume 啦。Cost of assume 間公司咧係 100% equity finance，OK， 100% equity finance，and therefore 我哋有時係需要 deleverage the equity beta into asset beta。喺稍後我哋會有一次嘅運算俾大家睇 ，OK。咁跟住我哋要加翻上 PV of benefits of debt financing， of debt financing 兩部分加埋出嚟就係我哋得出嚟嘅答案 APV，OK。咁啊計完啲 APV 之後啦，咁之後我哋要 recommend 啦，所以一定要提供個意見啦 ，OK， 千祈唔好計完就算噶啦 ，OK。recommend whether we should take this project or do this project or not，accept it or not，OK。所以呢度總共有4個元素咧，大家係需要去注意噶。呢度係總共 Part A 14分嘅題目咯。Part B discuss，OK， 一見到 discuss 呢個字咧 ，very likely 係一條 essay question。Essay question. Discuss the factors and capital providers, excluding the bank, will consider before deciding whether or not to approve the funding decision for Robson's investment in a new manufacturing plant. OK， 咁我哋就要睇睇我哋接下來見到 exhibit 嘅 information 啦，去探討一下唔同嘅因素，究竟呢啲嘅資金嘅提供、資金嘅供應方 ，OK， 除咗銀行角度嚟講啦。是否會接受以下 Robson 喺佢哋嗰個 exhibit 當中去建議嘅一個 funding decision 有關籌集資金去興建一個新嘅廠房 ，OK new manufacturing plan。咁呢度咧係總共加埋係11分 ，OK 11分。咁記住啦，題目入邊咧都問咗話 excluding the bank， 所以係唔需要考慮 from the bank's perspective 嘅 ，OK 唔需要考慮呢樣嘢 ，OK。咁亦都咧最尾你需要 provide 一個recommendation whether or not to approve，OK。咁呢度就係11分嘅題目，咁加埋埋咧就25分。好啦，我哋睇一睇嗰啲 information 或者有啲嘅 exhibit number 1，right 就關於我哋嘅主角公司 Robson。So Robson is a food manufacturer with a portfolio of well-known brand。咁佢係一間食物嘅生產商啦，亦都有唔同嘅知名嘅牌子啦。The founding directors retain a significant minority shareholder in the company and continue to serve on the board following a successful listing 10 years ago。咁公司嘅創始嘅董事咧，目前咧係持有一啲少數嘅公司嘅權益啦，亦都繼續成為公司嘅董事會嘅成員之一啦。公司喺10年之前咧就已經係成功上市㗎啦。After obtaining the listing, Robson's gearing ratio increased significantly over the sector average as a result of a poorly timed expansion strategy, mainly financed by debt。咁上咗市之後啦 ，Robson's gearing ratio 喺度開始有啲重要字眼，大家可以先 highlight 咗先 ，OK？ 上咗市之後咧，正常而公司可以上市咧，咁就可以進行股權融資啦，咁樣。咁但係呢條題目邊當中咧，好明確地講出就 Robson 而家目前存在問題就係 the gearing ratio increase significantly above the sector average。咁呢個其實係一個 warning signal 嚟嘅 ，OK？As a result of a poorly timed expansion strategy。mainly financed by debt， 就因為借錢借太多啦，擴得太快 ，OK， 咁所以公司嗰個槓桿比率咧，對比同行而言咧，都係處於一個比較高嘅水平，甚至係甚高嘅水平。Earnings became increasingly volatile and the debt burden triggered a decline in the company's financial performance。公司嘅淨利潤咧就因此變得較為波動啦。然之後咧，為咗要滿足債權人嘅interest requirement 啦，亦都影響到公司未來嘅即係過去一段財務表現㗎。咁呢啲都係一啲 negative consequence of high gearing ratio。The board responded to these problems 5 years ago by pursuing a debt reduction turnaround strategy, which has been financed by a series of rights issue and asset disposal。好啦，咁為咗降低一間公司嘅財務槓桿啦，咁公司嘅董事會咧就決定做一啲 action 或 take 一啲 action。5年之前開始咧，公司為咗減低公司嘅財務槓桿啦，因此我係通過一系列嘅金融操作，例如通過 rights issues。OK， 呢度就對關鍵字係 series， 即係 more than one，OK，more than one time。 咁我哋要注意啲重要字眼，因為有時啲重要字眼係喺我哋答題方面咧係重要。Rights issues 中文我哋學過啦，之前叫做供股嘅意思，即係新手問我哋股東攞錢，OK？ 通過發行新嘅股票問我哋嘅股東集資，OK？ 咁呢個叫 rights issue， 中文叫供股啦。咁除咗供股以外咧，公司都開始出售資產啦 ，asset disposal，OK？ 就你賣資產，咁好自然你公司嘅 cash 就會增加啦。公司 cash 增加嘅話，咁公司個 debt gearing ratio 咧，亦都可以係降低㗎。好啦，我哋繼續睇啲 exhibit number 1。Even though the strategy successfully reduced the gearing ratio, which is not equal to the industry average, the share price remains depressed due to competitive pressures within the industry. 雖然公司係進行咗一系列嘅操作，包括供股集資啦，包括資產出售啦，從而降低公司嘅呢個槓桿比率。但係問題啦，雖然而家公司整體槓桿比率同行業平均咧大概保持一個一致嘅水平，但係對於股東而言咧，公司嘅股東咧都對於公司未來嘅業務發展咧，尤其係行業當中所產生嘅呢個競爭力嘅問題咧，係表示擔憂㗎。咁 Robson 呢間公司嘅股東咧，對於 Robson 自己公司嘅競爭力係存在疑問嘅。咁因此公司嘅股價咧亦都表現得比較麻麻地。Okay, so share price remains depressed. The company's credit rating has recently been downgraded once again. 好啦，呢度亦都係一個我哋可以 highlight 嘅兩個 point 啦。第一就係公司嘅股價下跌咗唔少啦。第二就係公司嘅外部嘅呢啲叫做信貸評級機構，信貸評級機構咧喺近排咧亦都 downgrade 咗或者下調咗 Robson 呢間公司嘅信貸評級一次㗎。咁 Robson 嘅 CEO has identified an opportunity to relocate the manufacturing plant and develop a state-of-the-art automated production line.Which will reduce the underlying cost base and be a source of competitive advantage. 咁面對住公司嘅股東擔心公司未來競爭力咧出現下降啦，而外邊亦都有信貸機構咧下調咗公司嘅信貸評級啦。咁 Robson 嘅 CEO 咧因此亦都做一啲行動，就係通過或者計劃啦一個機會去將佢嘅 manufacturing plant 去重新去調配啲新嘅地方。亦都去發展一個全自動嘅生產線。咁全自動嘅生產線啊，比過去人手嘅生產咧，當然啦，可以減低公司嘅成本啦 ，reduce the underlying cost 啦。同時間咧，通過降低公司嘅呢個生產成本啦，從而轉變成為公司嘅長遠競爭力㗎，可以 be a source of competitive advantage。OK， 咁呢個係個 CEO 目前嘅一個諗法。好啦，咁啊開始見到啲數字啦。咁你見到啲數字咧，當然啦係會同我哋嘅 question or part A 啦，係咪 part A 嘅題目係有關嘅。Exhibit number 1。好啦，而家公司要 Robson 咧計劃做個 project。So Robson's finance director has prepared estimates of free cash flows generated by the project based on a 4-year time horizon。咁目前啊 Robson 嘅財務董事咧就啱啱做出咗一個財務自由現金流嘅預估啦。係一個4年嘅自由現金流嘅預估嘅數值㗎 ，OK？ 好啦，我哋睇睇呢個表格 ，OK？ 咁而家呢一組咧 project 嘅 investment cost 一開頭咧係要付出120 million 嘅 cash outflow，OK？So this is a cash outflow， 係 alright， CFO cash outflow， which Robson CEO proposes to finance as follow 啦。我哋一開頭咧 project 咧係要花費120 million 嘅 ，OK？ 咁喺未來嘅4年當中咧，佢嘅 free cash flow 分別預估為第一年 20.9 啦，第二年 20.6， 第三年 28.7， 同埋最尾一年咧 104.6 㗎 ，OK？ 我哋喺呢一刻咧，我哋唔需要對呢 free cash flow 抱住任何疑問，因為題目 part A 咧係只係需要我哋計算 APV 啫 ，OK？So we assume all these numbers are accurate。好啦，咁呢120 million 嘅資金點樣嚟嘅咧？咁樣咁啊，唔係突然之間天跌啲錢落嚟嘅，係咪？必定係嚟自一啲 equity fund provider 或者叫 capital providers 嘅。OK， 咁呢120 million 嘅來源啦，總共嚟自4個部分。第一部分係出售現有嘅 manufacturing plant。 ，OK， 20個 million，OK， 咁呢個係一個叫 internal financing，internal financing，OK， 因為呢啲錢係你自己本身噶嘛，其實你即係賣咗你公司嘅固定資產，轉變為現金啫 ，OK， 咁去做你 project， 所以呢個係一個 internal financing。除此之外啦，公司亦都計劃進行3個唔同嘅財務操作，包括 once again 供股 ，OK， 供股。好啦，咁啊見到啦，呢間公司之前我講已經做咗 a series of rights issue，OK， 而家再有計劃去做 rights issue，OK， 咁啊應該係即係好多次啦 ，OK， 好啦，咁供股嘅資金量咧總共係10 million 啦，計劃 ，OK， 咁同時間啦，公司亦都有計劃咧去進行啲貸款嘅操作啦 ，OK， 包括可能問政府啦，我應該稍後會有介紹關於 subsidized loan， 就係政府提供啲所謂嘅低息貸款嘅操作 ，OK， 咁我哋稍後會有更加多 information about 你嘅 subsidized loan， 喺政府提供嘅稍為低利息嘅 3.5% 嘅一個低息貸款啦。咁呢部分嘅資金係40個 million， 同埋啦 ，OK，in addition， 公司亦都計劃去問銀行借錢啦。咁銀行係唔會借平錢俾你噶嘛 ，OK， 即係銀行係會 charge 一個比較高嘅 interest rate 啦，係 9% interest rate。for bank loan， 咁呢部分咧係佔50個 million，OK， 咁呢3部分加埋嘅總資金啦，大概就係100 million 啦。呢100個 million 就係我哋所謂嘅 external financing，OK， 我哋資金嘅來源好自然就一部分就係 internal 啊，售賣資產啦，另外一部分咧就係公司通過去外邊籌集資金嘅用翻嚟嘅錢咧 external financing， 加埋都係120 million，OK。In line with 呢個 requirement 嘅 ，OK， 呢個就係120 million 嘅資金就係咁樣嚟噶啦。好啦，我哋再睇睇關於呢啲 loan 嘅一啲 information 啊 ，OK。So the bank loan is repayable in equal annual installments over 5 years。睇翻前面嘅題目就我講呢個 bank loan 咧係籌集咗50個 million，OK， 而咧我哋還錢咧而家還嘅方法咧係每一年還款嘅金額咧都係一樣㗎。換言之 ，OK， 你每一年嗰個annual cash flow， 我稍後要計 cash flow 啊 ，cash flow，OK， for 呢個 bank loan 咧係一個 constant number，constant for 4 years，OK， 係一個 constant number。咁我哋點樣去計呢個 equal annual installment 咧？稍後我哋會有一個計算方法啦。OK， 其實基本上就係你50個 million 啦，50 million 就係 bank loan 啦，除以你個 annuity factor。OK， 點解我哋會用 annuity factor？ 原因就係題目呢度已經講得好清楚啦，就係 equal annual installment 係咪 right？ 咁所以你每一年個現金流都係一樣㗎。咁呢個 annuity factor 係點樣去計？點樣 read 咧？題目入邊講到係 9% per year， okay? And this is a 4-year project。咁所以咧，我哋要除翻呢度 ，OK？Annual factor 係一個9% 4年嘅 factor，OK？ 咁我稍後會再進一步運算，OK？ 究竟得出嚟嗰個 cash flow，OK？ 係幾多 ？OK？ 係幾多？咁我稍後會喺答案嗰陣會同大家再討論一下。好啦，咁除咗呢 bank loan 之外啦，咁記住啦，咁發行呢啲無論你係供股又好啦，或者問銀行借錢都好啦，你總會有個融資成本嘅 ，OK？ 咁所以呢度啦 ，the issue cost of 2% are payable on gross external financing。換言之，呢2%，OK， 係 will charge on 100 million external financing。記唔記得上一頁嘅 PPT 同大家講過？ External financing 嘅總金額係100個 million 啊 ，right？ 100個 million， 如果大家唔記得就唔緊要，翻轉頭 ，OK？ 100 million external financing。換言之，我哋係要有個 cost 係2% on 呢啲 external financing 嘅。咁喺我哋計算 APU 嗰陣咧，我哋都要 factor in 呢個2% cost。And these issue costs are not allowable for corporation tax，OK？ 係唔 enjoy 任何嘅 tax benefit 㗎 ，OK？Issue costs are payable out of available cash reserves。The finance director has asked you to ignore underwriting costs related to rights issue。OK， 好啦，咁即係話 rights issues 咧嗰部分咧，我哋係唔需要考慮到in additional 嘅 underwriting costs。OK， 淨係需要考慮呢2% 就已經 OK 啦。OK， 好啦，我哋再睇睇其他 exhibit additional information。 Robson's current equity beta is 1.418。OK， 好啦，而家題目入邊講到 equity beta 係1.418。OK， 而呢個 equity beta 咧 has already factored in。OK， 注意啦 ，OK 係 factor 咗 ，OK 你 gearing 啦 ，factor in gearing。OK， 咁但係我哋計 APV 嗰陣咧 ，OK 記唔記得我哋一講APV 嗰陣啦，左邊嗰部分係 assume the project is 100% equity financed，right？ 所以我哋唔能夠直接使用 equity beta， 我哋要將呢個 equity beta 咧 somehow convert into ACCA beta。Right? 因為 ACCA beta 意思就係 no gearing is involved， 或者假設一間公司咧係唔存在任何 gearing 嘅，或者冇存在任何財務借貸啦，所以公司嘅呢個風險咧只係會反映咗 business risk。OK， 如果你用 equity beta 嘅話咧，你係唔淨止 business risk， 你係 business risk plus financing risk， which is 就係你嘅借錢方面所帶嚟嘅額外嘅財務風險啦。OK， 咁所以啦，我哋計 APV 嗰陣，我哋係唔能夠，我再講一次，係唔能夠直接使用 equity beta 㗎。OK， 我哋係要將 equity beta 轉變成為 ACCA beta。Right， 咁當然啦，如果題目入邊俾你嘅係 ACCA beta， 咁就簡單直接好多啦。咁但係通常考試都唔會咁簡單嘅。OK， 係要俾個 equity beta 俾你。OK， 1.418， 而 debt to equity ratio 咧係1比5倍，我係1比5倍 ，based on the market values. The risk-free rate is 3%, and market risk premium is 9%. 你見到 又有 risk-free rate， 又有 market risk premium 咧，好自然你就會諗到咧，我哋稍後咧要用上 equation 就係 cap M。OK， cap M 話俾你聽，個 discount rate，discount rate 等於 risk-free rate plus ACCA beta。Right, times RM minus RF， OK， 咁 RM 咪就係 9% 咯，俾咗唔係 RM 減去RM 減去 RF，sorry，OK， market risk premium 已經係呢個符號呢個圖入邊嘅數字啦，咁就係9%，OK， 咁 risk free 亦都係提供咗俾你 3% 啦。換言之，你其實呢一條題目最深嗰部分咧，就係你要自己運算 ACCA beta 係幾多啦 ，OK， 唔緊要，我稍後會再討論我哋點樣計 ACCA beta。And the CEO expects the business risk of the company to remain unchanged as a result of the investment。我實際比較 assumption 就係話做咗呢個 project 之後咧，公司個業務風險咧係唔會有重大嘅改變嘅。好啦，咁公司嘅 tax rate is 20% 啦，咁呢個當然係好重要嘅數字，因為你計個 financing benefit 嗰陣你要知道嗰個tax rate 幾多 20%。好啦，我哋睇睇我哋答題方面，我哋針對 Part A 嘅題目咧，我哋點樣去計算？好啦，嗱，記得題目入邊咧，其實一開始咧佢已經 provide 咗一系列嘅 cash flow forecast，right？ 你如果大家唔記得嘅話，其實我哋去翻開頭咧，其實喺第6頁咧 PPT 呢度咧見到啦，其實 Finance Director 已經係 provide 咗個 cash flow forecast， 所以我哋計算 APV 嗰陣其實都 pretty straightforward 嘅，喂，左邊嘅部分即係計算個 base case MPV 嗰陣，好啦，咁我哋只要 list out 呢啲嘅cash flows 啦 ，right？好啦，咁一開頭係120 million negative 啦，咁未來4年嗰啲 cash flows 咧分別都係呢啲數字，我哋純粹照抄翻個 exhibit number 1嘅啫 ，OK，so 呢啲 information 咧係 directly comes from exhibit number 1。好啦，咁但係我哋問計嘅係 base case MPV，right？base case MPV。咁顧名思義啦，我哋講到 MPV 嘅話，我哋一定要計個 discount factor 啦。好啦，咁點樣去計算 discount factor 啦？嗱，呢度咧記住啦，計 base case MPV 嗰陣咧，我哋係 assume 100% equity finance。OK，this is assumed，right？ 咁當然啦，你嘅 APV 啊，除咗呢一部分之外，我哋仲有 others 嘅 financing effect。咁我呢個係我哋後邊，我哋稍後會計嘅。OK， 我哋先計一 equation 嘅左邊 ，OK 就 base case 嘅 MPV。好啦，我哋 assume 100% equity finance。咁 discount factor 係點樣計咧？我哋就 jump into 個 working number 1。好啦，我哋睇睇 working number 1。working number 1需要我哋做嘅嘢咧，第一樣嘢就係去將我哋原本嘅呢個 equity beta ungear 佢變做 ACCA beta。 OK， 咁你要見到，咦？呢個乜嘢嘅 equation 嚟㗎咁樣？其實呢個 equation 喺呢一刻嚟講，對大家應該唔會覺得陌生㗎啦。OK， 如果大家唔記得 equation 嘅唔緊要 ，always refer to the appendix of your exam paper。OK， 好啦，我同大家展示一份真正嘅 exam paper。OK， 咁其實大家去到呢個考試 exam paper 咧，大家見到打開咗一個 exam paper， 呢個只不過係隨手打開嘅2019年一個 exam paper 啦。咁只要大家 go straight to the end of the table 咧 ，right， 你要見到啦 ，OK， 考試當中咧係必然會 provide 呢個所謂叫 formulate sheet，formulate sheet。咁當中你要見到一啲好關鍵嘅 equation， 例如我哋需要稍後會用上 CAPM 啦 ，OK， 同埋而家我哋需要計算嘅 ACCA beta formula。Right，ACCA beta formula 話俾你聽，一間公司嘅 ACCA beta 等於兩部分加埋一齊。OK， 由於題目入邊冇提到任何有關呢個 delta beta 嘅數據 ，OK， 因此我哋 assume company's delta beta is equal to 0。OK， 咁所以公司嘅 ACCA beta 就會係等於公司嘅 market value divided by the market value of equity， 公司嘅 equity value，market value of equity divided by equity market value plus debt market value times 1 plus tax rate times equity beta。OK， 所以我用上呢一個 equation 咧去進行運算㗎。好啦 ，coming back to 我哋嘅 solution 啦。好啦，咁公司嘅 equity beta 亦都題目入面 provide 咗 1.41 啦。OK， 咁 market value of equity divided by market value of equity plus market value of debt times 1 plus t 呢度點樣計咧？咁其實大家如果翻轉頭，大家有印象嘅話咧，其實題目入邊咧都講到喺 exhibit end of exhibit number 1嗰度咧，亦都講到啦。公司嘅 debt to equity ratio 咧係1:5。OK， 換言之，你可以based on market value。OK， 換言之，你可以 take 呢個5 as equity 嘅 market value，1 as debt market value。OK， 而公司嘅 tax rate 咧係 20% 嘅話咧，咁成件事咧就簡單好多啦。OK， 我哋將呢一個equity market 公司嘅 ACCA beta 就會等於 1.418 啦，乘以 market value of equity，which is 等於5啦。OK， 除以 market value of equity 都係我 take as 5啦，再加上1，因為個 ratio，OK， 呢度再成俾大家列清楚啦，因為 debt to equity 咧，或 MV market value of debt market value of equity。個 ratio 係等於1:5㗎 ，OK， 然後個 tax rate 咧，根據題目咧講咗係 20% 啦 ，right， 咁所以你可以直接套用上呢個公式入邊咧，你就會計到出嚟咧，公司嗰個 ACCA beta 咧係 1.222， 而呢個咧係我哋 reflect only business risk， 係假設間公司係 100% equity finance 嘅情況之下，公司嘅風險程度亦都係啦，所以我哋叫做 ungeared cost of equity，OK，without gearing， 係 without gearing involved。好啦，我哋計完呢個 1.22 之後，諗接下來咧亦都好簡單啦。我哋使用上呢個 CAPM，OK， 大家如果唔記得 CAPM 嘅話，唔緊要 ，refer to the formulation，OK， 公司嘅 CAPM，OK， 我哋咪就用公司嘅 cost of cost of equity 咧就等於 risk-free rate 啦 ，plus beta x 啦 ，which is 就 1.22 嘅數字啦，再乘以 market risk premium，OK， 呢個係 market risk premium。OK， 咁題目入邊都 provide 咗係等於 9% 啦 ，OK， 咁而 risk-free rate 係等於 3% 啦。如果唔記得嘅，唔緊要，翻轉頭睇翻題目入邊咧，佢講嘅相關數據咧，你就會見到啦。OK， risk-free rate 3%， market risk premium 9%。OK，so therefore， 公司嘅cost of equity 咧就等於 14% 啦。OK， 咁我哋就 take this 14% as the discount rate。呢個就係我哋想要計出嚟個數啊 ，14%。好啦，將 14% go back to the previous table。OK， 如果 14% 嘅話咧，咁我哋可以將未來呢啲 cash flow 進行貼現啦。OK， 咁呢度嘅 present 個 discount factor 啦，你哋可以自己計啦，又或者 OK， 你可以一種方法啦，你可以呢度等於 1.1 over 1.14 啦，呢個係 0.76 等於 1.14 to the power 2啦。呢個等於1 over 1.14 to the power 3啦，and 呢個等於1.14 to the power 4都得嘅 OK 都冇問題嘅。咁但係咧考試當真你可以用 Excel 個 spreadsheet 去幫你計啦，又或者你其實更加簡單少少咧，可以使用上咧，我哋亦都翻轉頭考試當中咧，我哋嘅 formula sheet， 除咗 provide formula sheet 以外咧，其實公司咧其實考試咧都提供咗呢個叫 present value table。而家我哋關注嘅一個14% 嘅 discount rate 啦 ，OK， 咁因此咧，我哋可以 look for 呢啲 numbers。For the first year cash flow with discount， we multiply by 0.877啦 ，second year 0.769啦 ，third year 0.675啦。同埋 fourth year 0.59呢4個 number 嘅，我哋可以直接將呢4個 number 咧抄落去呢個我哋嘅 table 入邊，去得出呢4個 number，OK？ 然之後啦 ，present value 就係等於呢個 number 啦，乘以呢個 number 啦，就得到呢個 number。喺同樣咧，20乘以0.877就會等於18.3，OK？ 咁呢一部分就係我哋嘅 present values。嗱，我將所有嘅數字加埋咧，就係我哋嘅 base case NPV 啦。好啦，咁我哋加埋呢一堆數之後咧，我哋要計到咧，目前呢個 base case NPV 咧係 negative 4.6㗎，係咪 negative 4.6？所以咧，如果我哋唔考慮個 financing effect 嘅話咧，咁其實呢個 project 咧係唔應該做㗎，因為個 NPV is negative 啦 ，and therefore we should reject the project。咁但係問題啦，就係話我哋公司 CEO 亦都提議到一系列嘅操作啦，包括啲 financing effects 啦。咁我哋就睇睇 ，OK 呢一部分所帶來嘅 financing effect 究竟有幾大？包括第一部分嘅 issue cost，OK？issue cost 記唔記得就係我哋係要俾100個 million external financing 啊？記唔記得 ？OK？ 再乘以個 financing cost 2%，right？ 咁 therefore 我哋計出嚟就係2 million，OK？ 咁但係其實我哋喺其實有 separate 嘅 working table 嘅。就係 W2，就100 million 乘以 0.02，and therefore 你個 issue cost 就係2 million，right？ 好啦，咁2 million 其餘之後咁仲有所謂嘅 tax shield on subsidized loan 啦，咁呢個係低息貸款當中提供嘅一個我哋嘅 tax shield 啦。咁呢一部分 tax shield 點樣計咧？咁樣記得呢個低息貸款咧 ，OK 係 3.5% interest cost， 你借40個 million，right？ 你 interest cost 係 3.5%，OK？ 咁所以啦，你個 0.2，OK？ 0.2嘅意思就係你個 tax rate， 係呢個係你個 tax rate 啦 ，OK？ 呢個係你嘅 tax rate 啦，呢個係個 interest cost 啦 ，interest 係，而呢個咧就係你個 notional。40個 million， 將你3個部分相乘，再乘以一個 annuity factor， 因為呢3個乘埋一齊，實際係1年所產生嘅一個 tax benefit 嘛。但係我哋要考慮到 the present value of tax shield，therefore 我哋要考慮到 annuity factor，OK？ 咁而家我哋要用上嘅係9%，因為正常而言咧，你問銀行借錢咧係應該9%，唔係 3.5% 嘅，OK？ 咁所以你會用上9% 呢個作為一個 discount rate 啦。4年嘅一個 project 啦，咁好啦，咁所以我哋又翻去我哋嘅 formula sheet 入邊啦，睇翻啦 ，OK？ 而家我哋再 scroll down 嘅話咧，你就會見到咧，你考試邊必然會提供個 annuity table 嘅 ，OK？ 而家我哋 look for 一個係9%，而4年嘅 project， 咁 therefore 我哋會 take 呢個 3.24 啦 as 嘅 annuity factor。OK， 我哋將呢個 3.24 咧放翻喺我哋嘅 equation 入邊咧，咁我哋要計到嚟自咧 subsidized loan 所產生嘅 tax shield 咧，加埋咧就係907000蚊左右。OK， 好啦，咁除咗呢個之外啦，咁記得啦，除咗 subsidized loan 之外，我哋仲有我哋所謂嘅 bank loan， 即係問銀行借錢嗰部分9% interest 嗰部分啦。咁嗰部分咧，我哋都會有佢自己嘅 tax shield 噶。嗱。呢一部分咧，記得開頭所講啦，我哋係借款嘅 notion 係50個 million 啦，而我哋係 equal installment 嘅還款嘅 ，OK？ 咁因此咧，我哋每一年所需要還款嘅金額咧，就係呢一筆數，或者呢個係一個 equal installment。換言之，你每一年還錢嘅金額咧，都係呢筆數嘅啫，係1500幾萬咁樣 ，OK？ 咁而呢個係4年嘅還款。9% 嘅 interest cost 嘛 ，right？ 所以我哋會用上 the same annuity factor 或 annuity factor 就係3.24啦 ，OK， 咁呢個係我哋嘅本金咧 notional。好啦，咁之後我哋要 construct 個 table 係咁樣啦 ，OK，opening balance 就係我哋嘅51 million 啦，咁你單位實就係1000嘅啫 ，OK， 咁如果 interest 係9%，而你有即係每一年你要還大概450萬啦，450萬嘅 interest 啦，而你嘅 repayment 係呢一粒數1500幾萬嘅，換言之 ，OK， 扣減咗 interest 之後，剩低嘅資金就會去扣減你嘅本金，咁所以你一年之後你嘅本金餘額咧就會3900幾萬。而呢3900幾萬亦都會變成下一年嘅本金計算 ，OK？ 咁下一年本金再乘以當年嘅9% 咧，就會得出呢一粒數350幾萬。咁你再還款1500幾萬嘅話咧，咁剩低嗰筆資金咧，我哋就會變做呢個2700幾萬咧，就會係第二年嘅一個本金嘅餘額，而呢一個本金餘額亦都會變成第3年嘅開始數啦。再減去當年嘅 interest 啦，再減去當年嘅你嘅還款金額15萬啦，咁所以剩低嘅咧就係呢個 closing balance， 而最後咧 closing balance 咧亦都會變成最尾一年嘅一個 opening balance 嘅 ，OK？ 咁你見到呢度點解有個餘數咧？其實呢個只不過係好 rounding error 嚟嘅啫，咁我哋唔需要太過關注呢個細數咁樣 ，OK？ 好啦，咁究竟我哋而家要關注一樣嘢就係個 tax benefit，right？ 咁所以我哋 look at 呢一粒數，我 interest cost at 9% every year， 換言之，我哋要關注呢一粒數啦、呢粒數啦、呢粒數啦同埋呢一粒數 ，OK？ 咁每一年我哋嘅 tax relief 係 20%， 因為我哋 tax rate 係 20% 嘛，咁所以將呢一粒數咧乘以20% 咧，就會得到呢一粒，或者呢一粒數咧同樣啦，乘以20% 咧就會得到呢一粒數，同樣啦，我哋每一年都係。好啦，咁呢一個就係我哋所謂嘅 tax relief on interest every year。咁我哋而家講嘅 present value 啊嘛，咁所以我哋要將呢數咧 discount once again back to present，OK？ 咁我哋而家 look for 係一個9% 嘅 discount rate， 因為你嘅借錢嘅資金融資成本係9% 啊嘛，所以個 discount factor 係9%，OK？ 咁我哋又再一次翻去我哋呢個 appendix 入邊啦，揾翻如果係9% 嘅情況之下咧 ，OK？對於未來4年嘅 cash flow 咧，佢嘅 discount rates 咧，我哋 discount factor 咧，分別係呢4粒數嘅 ，OK？ 咁我哋純粹將呢4粒數咧，直接抄過去我哋嘅考試卷入邊咧，答題卷入邊咧就會有等於0.917啦、0.842啦、0.772啦同埋0.708㗎 ，OK？ 好啦，咁計算出嚟剩低嘅 present value 啦，就會係900，例如咧4，OK？ 呢個825咧就等於900乘以0.917啦，就會等於825啦，703乘以0.842啦，就會等於592啦。OK， 咁將4粒數咧加埋啦，得出嚟呢個咧就係1976000蚊。咁因為單位係300，或者單位係 unit，OK， 000，OK， 咁所以1976000幾咁樣，1976000咁樣。咁呢粒數就係嚟自 tax shield 呢個 bank loan 嘅 benefit，OK， 咁所以我哋會得到我哋嘅 table 上面嘅呢個。roughly 啦 ，OK， 2 million，roughly 你可以直寫 exact number 都冇問題，1976000蚊都 OK 嘅 ，OK。咁仲有啦，就係個 subsidy benefit， 或者 subsidy benefit， 因為你諗下喎，正常而言咧，你係問銀行借錢係9厘利息噶嘛，咁而家政府借俾你係3.5厘嘛，咁中間係存在住一個6.5厘嘅一個差額噶嘛，係咪？咁而呢一部分咧就係嚟自 government provide 嘅 subsidy benefit。咁呢一部分咧，我哋就要睇究竟值幾多啦。Subsidy benefit 就係等於40個 million 啦 ，OK， 就係你問政府借款嗰個低息貸款啦，即係話呢一粒數 ，OK， 你問政府借錢嘅呢40個 million，OK， 或者我呢度再 provide 一個loan from the government，OK， 呢個就係你問政府借錢係嘅嗰粒數啦，係咪乘以個 interest differential， 係因為正常而言咧，你係應該被收9厘嘅，咁但係問題政府提供個3.5厘嘅優惠俾你啦，咁所以呢個就係個 6.5% 啦，再乘以呢個 0.8 啦，係一減去 tax rate 啦 ，OK， 你減 tax rate， 咁所以 0.8 啦，再乘以呢個 annuity factor， 喂 ，and once again 呢個係一個9%。4年嘅操作啦，4 years 嘅一個 investment 啦 ，therefore 加埋咧，其實 subsidy benefit 咧係570幾萬㗎，係570萬多少少。咁呢570萬咧，我將佢放埋喺我哋嘅 table 運算當中咧，咁計出嚟啦，我哋 total benefit of financing side effects 就係 6.6 啦，我哋將呢4粒數加埋嘅啫，我哋就係 6.6 啦。咁你會見到啦，我哋運算完呢部分咧，得出嚟嘅結論咧就係應該喺前面 ，OK？ sorry， 我呢度應該冇寫啦 ，OK？ 嗱，如果你本身嘅 MPV 嗱嘅 base case 係 4.6 negative 嘅話 ，OK？ 而你個 total benefit of financing side effects 係 6.6 嘅話咧，換言之，here we go，OK？ 換言之，你個 recommendation 呢度就係我哋 final conclusion 啦 ，OK？For part A，OK？ 就係 the adjusted present value for the project is 2 million。呢個就係你想要得出嚟一個 APV 嘅 value，OK？ 由於呢個數係一個 positive number 啦 ，and therefore we should accept the project given 呢個係一個 positive number，OK？ 咁如果計出嚟 negative， 咁我哋都係 reject 佢啦 ，OK？ 呢個係 positive number 嘅話 ，that's why we should accept this project，OK？ 咁呢一個就係我哋 part A 需要大家去回答嘅內容啦。